Here's how we can change a theme on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, we need to open settings, and then in settings you should scroll down until you find themes. And let's go there. In Galaxy themes, we have this themes category. We can find some different categories that we can choose from, but most likely you want to go to top in order to find the most popular options over here. Besides that, we can switch from all to free so that we only see free themes that we can use on our phone. And as an example, let's say we're gonna choose this one over here, and then let's press free. This allows us to download the theme. You might need to have a Samsung account to be able to download the content from the Galaxy Store. And then we can press apply once it is ready to set up. Wait a couple of seconds for the theme to be applied. And there we go, we have a completely new theme. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!